Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now this video is basically for Nigerians, so if you are my subscriber or you are getting to see my video or my channel for the first time and you are not in Nigerian, I'm so sorry, this particular one is not for you. This program is actually for Nigerians, so I'll be making an update about this program. Okay, so let's go. This is Transocean. Okay, now this is Transocean. I made a video about this particular program the other day, telling you how you can actually invest in this program. Okay, I walked you through about this program Transocean. Okay, how they said if you invest in their program that they are into deep sea offshore transportation. Okay, that they needed investors that will invest into their program and they pay them a return on investment. Okay, now this program, after I made a review of this particular program, the program actually just ran for some days after that review. And as it is presently, I just want to assume and I believe that this program has actually scammed. It has rock pulled, okay? Because presently it's over the time that they are supposed to pay and they are not paying. And secondly, I'm going to show you the reason why I believe the program has rock pulled, that the program is a scam, because they've actually opened another program. So invariably they've abandoned this and they've opened another program. Okay, let me take you directly to their Telegram channel so that you get to understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, let's go to their Telegram channel. Now this is the Telegram channel of Transocean. This is, you can see Transocean official. This is the Telegram channel, right? So what they just did is that a whole lot of guys are actually joining. You can see a whole lot of guys are joining, joining. A whole lot of guys joining this program. But you can see just today being third, you can see the date here. Today being third, they just launched another program here, which is called First Solar. Okay, you can see this is the program First Solar. Now they are telling their members on Transocean to go and join First Solar, which is you can see what they say. They say join there. Okay, their Telegram group, it is important. Okay, you can see the First Solar. So you can see they just opened this new program. Okay, if you click on it, you're going to see it. Okay, you can see First Solar. This is a new program, the same interface almost with Transocean. Okay, so presently Transocean is not paying because the time they're supposed to pay has passed. Okay, and they've not paid. So I'm telling you now that I believe the program have actually scammed. They've rock pull. So they've gone away with your money if you actually invested some money there. Okay, that is the issue with all this kind of quick make money online kind of program. They are not certain. They can run away with your money at any time. That is why at the end of every video, if I make a review about that particular program, I will say that you should be able to invest what you can afford to lose. Don't borrow money to invest in this kind of a program. Okay, the money should be what you can afford to lose. So if anything like this happen, you can well let it go, right? But what I'm telling you now is that Transocean is not paying presently as it is not paying, right? And they've opened another one which is called First Solar, right? So that is the latest about this particular program now. Okay, because I know a whole lot of people are still going to invest in this program because if they fail to watch this video, they are going to invest in this program. I knew that they were going to close up when they started advertising, pay for a package and you get two. Do you get to understand? They say you should pay for a one package and they will give you two package. That is one of the sign of a scam website. Okay, when they begin to tell you to take more than expected, then something is about to happen, right? So that is it about this particular video. Transocean, as it is presently, is not paying and they've opened up another website. So it is assumed that they've actually scammed you if your money was there. If you actually invested there, just have it in mind that they've scammed you. Your money is gone. Okay, and if you want to invest in the other one, I think the decision is left with you, but I think you should think about it. They just open up this one, right? They just open this one, First Solar, and it's the same pattern, everything. So if you want to go do it, go ahead and do it. But I think if you ask for my advice, I will tell you to stay away from this kind of website because they will scam you of your money. Okay, now if you got value from this video, remember to like this video. You have to like and subscribe to this channel because I keep giving you information, genuine information about program that you should invest in and what you should stay away from it. Okay. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, you have to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Take care of yourself and bye bye.